Nykaa Pink Summer Sale is here, and this is what I think you should pick up. These Nudestix cream blushes are beautiful. They are pigmented, they blend well, they last all day long, and they are never ever patchy. Next is this Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. Beautiful color story. The formula is outstanding. The shades, they blend well, they last all day. If you want a lot of compliment whenever you are visiting a party, definitely check out this perfume from Lancome. It's so stunning and it's very long lasting. My next recommendation is this Clinique Even Better Serum Foundation. It is a truly serum foundation. It's very long lasting, very lightweight. It's medium to buildable full coverage, and it looks so smooth on the skin. Next is this Milani Make It Last setting spray. It makes your makeup last all day long, and it's a spot on dupe for Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Next is again from Milani. It's their concealer. It's full coverage, crease proof, and it blends really well. Follow for more.